Claude has introduced the loop command in the newer versions. Loop takes two arguments. One is interval, which is optional. If you don't provide the interval, the default interval is 10 minutes. I'm providing interval here. The second argument is the prompt. So I would say the time now, if required, use system command 8 with bash tool. So basically, I'm setting the prompt to run in the background for every 1 minute to find out the time. Let's schedule this one. Claude will actually create a cron sub corresponding to this instruction and provides us with the job ID. So you can see it is scheduled. What is the current? The current time is Friday, March 27, 2026 and 2:53 p.m. EST. So this has been scheduled. Now let's look into the job ID. It can be used to cancel the job whenever you need to stop the prompt to execute. Let's wait for a couple of minutes to see that Claude has ran this command in the background for every 1 minute. You can see it is triggered automatically and it is printing the time as 2:54. You could see it triggered approximately 1 minute. It is using bash command because I instructed to use bash tool to actually figure out the time. I could also see the scheduled jobs in the meantime. What are the scheduled jobs? Claude provides us the list of scheduled jobs. This is the job. There is only one job right now. And the prompt is what is the time now? If required, use system date with bash tool, the one that which we schedule. We could also schedule one-time jobs like in 5 minutes, then you run the test cases using command npm run test. So this is a one-time job that which we are scheduling. Let it do the job. So current time is 2:55. So 5 minutes from now is 3 p.m. That's exactly 00 mark and I'll schedule at 3:01 to avoid busy minute. So this is what it scheduled at 3 p.m. Now let's look into the jobs. Can you show me the scheduled jobs? You can see this was automatic, bash was automatic at 2:55. And you can see like there are two jobs now. And there is automatically a trigger. 1 minute happened now. 2:56 p.m. It is printing the date. This job is running every minute. And these jobs will run at 3:01 o'clock. You can also cancel the jobs using job ID. So cancel job. So I'm canceling this job, which prints the time every minute. See that it is canceled the job. Now let's see the jobs available in the schedule. We should see that there is only one job now, we could cancel also this job. This job has been cancelled as well. Now let me figure out what is the time now. So it is actually 2:57:20. Ideally, my last bash date command was ran 2:56:08. But since I canceled the job to print the time every 1 minute, we are not seeing that prompt being run in the background. So that's it. Thank you.